Boom, hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy Light, and I know I said I wasn't gonna make any more videos, but God called me to make this video, and once God calls, game over. You know what I'm saying? Well, game starts. So, see, a lot of us on our journeys growing up, we've been misled, right? And we've been led down the wrong path, and we've been bombarded with a lot of negative media and negative music, and we're not aware of how much damage we've done to these bodies and our minds. And I know we're on our path now, actually trying to correct and fix everything we've done and make right choices and the right decisions, right? But the amount of damage we've done to ourselves and to God's temple, which is our body, is, think about it. I'm 25, right? And only this year now I've really fully understand that, who and what God is. So it's like, whoa. And I have to correct 25 years of sin and damage, and I'm trying to do it all in a day, because that's what I try to do every day, right? But it's absolutely tremendous when you try to correct all the sins and go against all the bad habits to do what's right, and you feel the burden and the weight it actually is, and what you've caused in the world. Because everything you caused and everything you've done, you have to pay for it, and you have to clean it up. And it's absolutely ridiculous, right? So one of the things we have to do in order to speed this process up, and God, the reason I'm making this video is because of this, is to literally go by yourself, and literally tell God that, God, I'm actually sorry for everything I've ever done and all the harm that I've caused to your creation, like this body, and ask him to forgive you for everything you've done, and he will actually forgive you and speed up that process, that healing process for real. But you would have to actually talk to him with the connection that you have. You'd have to talk to him with a better connection that you can have with any human. You see, like how you can relate to a human, and you see them and you're talking to them, you know you're talking to a human. You have to have a connection better than that when you're talking to God and asking for this level of forgiveness, because this level of forgiveness can take away all the pain and all the sin and give you a glow, like a light. Like if you rewatch my videos and you look at how I used to look compared to how I look in this video, you can see like everything looks smoother, more clean. Like it's like, because I've literally came to the realization that, I have done more harm than I could possibly imagine, and I have harmed and disrespected so much people growing up because of bad company and people misleading me and people's ego that, trying to one up, and you try to compete and not knowing that you're destroying yourself and you're harming other people, and God is watching you. You know what I'm saying? So you have to literally put the world aside and go to God and say, God, Father, Creator, Jesus Christ, I am sorry for everything I've ever done. And you have to mean it. You can't fake this, bro. Like this here, the type of stuff that people will call you crazy for. But they don't understand because they're crazy and they're not connected to the Creator that created everything. So you're talking to empty vessels. So don't pay attention to them. Just do you and do what you gotta do. And literally, bro, you might have to cry because of the amount of pain that's inside of you. You know what I'm saying? I had my fair share time of crying. You know what I'm saying? I would pretty much say I've corrected 90% of my faults and my harm that I've done to the world. I would say 90. So I'm pretty much at peace. So I'm at the level where I could teach people. You know what I'm saying? Clarity, you know what I'm saying? Harmony. But I fall. I do fall. I ain't gonna lie. A just balance. I have that just balance God talks about within the Bible. Because two is better than one. You know what I'm saying? Because you could always help the bad person to find the truth. Because no one's actually really bad. It's just Satan. You know what I'm saying? It's just Satan. He misleads and destroys because he could never be what you're gonna become. See, after this life, you're gonna become an angel. And he was an angel, and he can never be an angel again. And because he knows your evolutionary process, he tries to destroy your evolutionary process. But once you find God, you're free. You're already an angel. You're an angel before you become an angel, like a caterpillar to a butterfly. So, it's gonna be tough because he doesn't want you to get to that state of everlasting life, eternity, everlasting peace, forever, brand new, every day, everything, every second, every movement, brand new, everlasting life. So, go to God and tell him you're sorry for destroying his vessel and his temple, and he will forgive you. You don't know. Unity equals one. One life force energy. One everything. Don't know. God is love, you are too. Yeah, man. Whatsoever you do shall prosper, and no weapon formed against you shall prosper. Don't know. Yeah. I love you, and I'm happy to share this life with you because I am you and you are me. Don't know.